Disney! Bunnies! I love you, my bunnies! Spring had finally arrived in the forest. Butterflies flitted from flower to flower, and robins sang cheerfully in the trees. Twitter-tweet, twitter-tweet. The bunnies' day began just the same as always, with a soft, cozy nuzzle, a filling of bunny tummies, a tickly warm wash, and a big strong hug. Soon the bunnies hopped off to play. "Mama does so much for us," Thumper said. "Let's make her a basket." Thumper's sisters were excited. They all hopped to it. Rustle, rustle. Trixie and Daisy searched for twigs up high. Rustle, snap. Rhea and Tessie looked down low. Scritch, scratch. The bunnies wove the twigs together. Nearby, the chipmunks chittered cheerfully. But the 5 little bunnies did not hear them. They were making a basket as strong as their love. The basket was sturdy, but it needed something more. "Flowers!" Daisy cried. Sniff, sniff, pluck! The bunnies picked buttercups and daisies and lilies. Little Tessie even found some pink clover. The meadowlarks chirped in the trees above, but the 5 little bunnies did not hear them. They were making the basket beautiful for their mama. The basket was lovely, but it needed something more. Trixie hopped off. Soon she returned with a plump blackberry. Rhea smiled. "Mama loves berries," she said. Pluck, pluck, The berries were juicy and ripe, perfect for bunny tummies. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Bees buzzed amid the brambly patch, but the 5 little bunnies did not hear. They were filling the basket with sweetness for their mama. At last, they were done. The bunnies took the basket, that strong, beautiful, sweet basket, home to their mama. And their mama gave them something strong, beautiful, and sweet right back. A big hug. "We love you, Mama," the bunny said. "And I love you, my bunnies," their mama replied. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And check out some of my other Disney stories in my Disney playlist. See you all in the next video.